Walking into the health aisle or scrolling through wellness blogs feels like navigating a sea of impossible promises and flashy labels. Every bottle claims to be the missing piece of your health puzzle. You see these products that swear they can fix your energy levels or balance your internal chemistry with just a few drops a day. Sugar Harmony drops are the latest name making waves in this space. It is easy to see why people are drawn to them. We all want a simple solution for complex metabolic issues. We want to feel like we have control over our glucose levels without the stress. This product positions itself as a natural way to support healthy blood sugar and boost your metabolism. It sounds like a dream come right out of a botanical garden. But we have to look closer at what is actually happening behind the curtain. The ingredients list is a familiar cast of characters. You have got your plant extracts and your various vitamins. You see minerals that have been linked to metabolic health in small-scale studies. These components are not inherently bad. Many of them are staples in the world of nutrition. The problem arises when the marketing starts to sound like a medical miracle. These drops are not a replacement for insulin. They are not a substitute for the advice of a trained physician. I spent hours digging through the claims to see if they hold water. The reality is that supplements are a very different beast from medicine. They are designed to support a healthy lifestyle, not to fix a broken one. Is this a scam? That is the question everyone asks. If you define a scam as a product that does not exist or steals your money, then no, this is not a scam. You get a real product. It contains real ingredients. But if you define a scam as something that overpromises and underdelivers, you might see things differently. The marketing often dances on the edge of making medical claims. It uses words that suggest a level of control that the science just does not back up yet. There is no large-scale, peer-reviewed evidence that these specific drops will magically level out your blood sugar. If you go into this expecting a life-changing transformation, you are likely going to be let down. On the other hand, if you are just looking for a little bit of extra nutritional support, you might find some value here. Some users report feeling a bit more balanced or having a steady stream of energy. That is great. But we have to wonder how much of that is the supplement and how much is the fact that they are also paying more attention to their health. You cannot ignore the power of the mind in these situations. If you are someone who already eats well and exercises, this might be a tiny boost. It is like putting a spoiler on a car. It looks cool and might help a tiny bit with drag, but the engine is still doing all the work. You cannot expect a few drops of liquid to override a poor diet or a sedentary lifestyle. It just does not work that way. We live in a culture that is obsessed with the quick fix. We want the shortcut. We want the easy way out. Companies know this and they play into it. They use clever phrasing and testimonials to make you feel like you are one purchase away from perfect health. Sugar Harmony drops are a prime example of this strategy. They are a standard nutritional supplement wrapped in very ambitious marketing. If you have the extra money and you are curious, there is probably no harm in trying them as long as you talk to your doctor first. But do not let the hype cloud your judgment. Do not toss out your actual health plan for a bottle of plant extracts. Stay grounded in reality. Be a critical thinker. Your body deserves more than just a catchy name and a pretty bottle. It deserves a holistic approach that focuses on real habits and professional guidance. That is the only true way to find harmony in your health.